Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pocket back to another video. Today's video we're gonna have a look at on how to install iOS 13 public beta on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this year installing an iOS beta software is a lot easier than it used to be, and that's all because Apple has released a profile which allows you to do that without the need of a computer. So everything is going to be done straight on your device. Now, one important point to make is that it is very important for you to back up all of your data before you proceed to this video, because Apple definitely recommends it and it's possible for your data to be lost during this process. It's not certain, but possible. Now for this video, we're going to be using Apple Beta software program to download the iOS 13 public beta profile. And from that, we're going to proceed to install a profile, reboot our phone, and then we should have an iOS 13 notification in our settings. So navigate to Safari and then go ahead and type Apple Beta software program. It should be on the first result. After you open the website, make sure to sign up with your Apple ID. And the beauty of this is that it's completely free, no need to pay anything extra. That's why we're going for the public beta instead of the developer's beta. Well, with the developer's beta program, you're going to have to pay £100 a year. Now, after you're logged in, you need to scroll down and make sure that you're on the iOS tab right here. Scroll down until you see on where it says, please enroll your iOS device. Make sure to click on this link and a new page is going to open. And here's going to show you some steps. So for example, backing up your device. This is a crucial step again, guys. Please make sure to do it because again, it's possible to lose all of your data. And after you're ready, after you've done all of this, then go down where it says download profile. Make sure to allow. And now the profile is downloaded. So now close Safari and go where it says settings. And here on the top tab, you should see a section saying profile downloaded. If you don't see that, then go on general and then scroll all the way down on where it says profile, and you should find it right there. Then select iOS 13 and then go and select the profile and then hit install. Apologize, my fingers are quite small to hold this phone. Then type your password and then hit install again. And after this, you're going to be asked to reboot your phone. Okay, so the device is now restarted. And right now your device is enrolled with the Apple Developers Program. So now you're going to be receiving iOS 13 beta updates on your device. So again, navigate to settings and then go on general, then software update, and you should have the iOS 13 public beta update. In my case it's 2 because at the time of the recording of this video is 4th of September. So roughly 2.5 months after the release of the first beta. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on download and install. Right now you have requested an update. And in my case, as you can see, it takes 4 hours to download the beta. This really depends on your Wi-Fi speed and how fast downloading time you have. Okay guys, back to business. Finally, the download is done and now it's ready to install the iOS 13 public beta. So after clicking on install right now, please, before you do so, please make sure that you have backed up everything from your phone. Just a quick reminder is that as soon as you update is that some apps are not going to work properly. So for example, you may receive a message of this game is not compatible with iOS 13. So don't beat yourself up about it. It's just because the app is not being updated to support iOS 13 features yet. And it should be fixed as soon as the original iOS 13 will be released sometime in the end of this September. Now again, we're going to have to play the game of patience. It shouldn't take too long to update, about 25 minutes give or take. And as always, I'm going to be back as soon as this process is done. Alright guys, so now the installation is pretty much done. And now I'm having iOS 13.1 at the time of recording this video. And there are only a few stuff that I need to set up, including the Apple Wallet, which I'm not going to set up right now. And of course, setting up your appearance. I actually like the light version, and this is pretty much what I'm going to carry on using. And after that, you're pretty much done. So now you're having iOS 13. So let's go ahead and check this out by going to setting and general, then about, and you should see here where it says iOS 13.1. So as you can see, iOS 13.1 beta is installed successfully in my iPhone. and hopefully it's installed on yours as well. And now you may go ahead and explore what is new on iOS 13 and also what to expect on the official release of iOS 13. And don't forget to let us know down in the comment section what are you mostly looking forward to see on iOS 13 as soon as it releases, and whether you're considering updating to iOS 13 or not. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it in order to receive updates from our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm going to see you in my next video.